If you have resolved to get into shape after a lockdown period of time, consider paddling your way to fitness on kayak. Today, let's follow in Joe Alexander to explore his kayaking adventure.
I'm Joe Alexander. I've been running Alexander Adventures for roughly 10 years. I started years ago working as an outdoor instructor, and then built up some qualifications and experience, and then realised there was an area in the outdoors or well-being and health that to make activities accessible for everyone. People might have gained weight, but they also may have gained a lot of anxiety. They've also gained or maybe not as gained as much confidence as they had before. But inherently the activity that we do will promote getting fit. The sea kayaking has been very popular because we've been able to access some amazing wildlife and areas in the northeast. We have 2-hour canoe sessions where on a nice day we might get wet, but very rarely you might get your feet wet, and that's about it. Our kayaks and our canoes that we use are very stable, very functional, and just an amazing way to access the water that we've got around the northeast. So if anyone's anxious about getting on the water, it's worth giving it a go. The big thing for us is for everyone just to have a nice time and relax. We want people to experience amazing places, because surely the best way of getting fit is when you don't know you're getting fit. So by you just experience amazing things. And a byproduct of that is you're eating well and doing exercise. Because if you're doing exercise and you don't know you're doing exercise, surely that's got to be better for your mind and for your body as well.
The physical benefits of kayaking include core conditioning, increased aerobic capacity, and weight loss. The psychological and social benefits include stress reduction and the enjoyment of making new friends.